Hello there. Well, here's the engine assembled and ready for its first test run. There's still things to do to finish it off. I have to go around, make studs and nuts for everything, but I've got it to a point where we can do some test running. Now it's all set up. PM Research provides some very nice information about getting everything set up for timing with measurements of how to set the spool valve and the piston and everything else, and how to get the eccentric set up relative to top dead center. So I've been through all of that, oiled everything up, and all that remains is to hook up the compressed air and give it a try. And there it is. I couldn't be happier. This is running. There's no piston rings in it right now. The Teflon piston rings that PM Research supply bound the thing up so tight I couldn't turn it over by hand. So I decided, hang it all. I'll just run it without piston rings for now. And so right now it's running right around 5 psi, or maybe a bit under, because that's the minimum I can read on the regulator, and as you can see it's turning over very smoothly, so nice and slow, and honestly that's as good a result as I could hope to get. So I'm phenomenally happy with this. I think that once I sort the piston rings out, it will run even better, but I couldn't hope for a better result. So I may not look it, but I'm ecstatic. So I'm going to enjoy running this for a while, and I'll shoot some additional footage. Thanks very much. Appreciate all of those of you who have followed along this build. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll continue going with this, get it all painted up and fettled and cleaned up, and hopefully run it on live steam. But that's it for now. Thank you.